Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and what we have here is the recently launched Tecno Camon i4, which is their sub 10,000 rupees phone for the offline as well as online market. This is available in stores, and the MOP is 9,600 rupees. This phone is just launched and comes with some interesting features. The MRP on the box is 11,500, but the MOP is 9,600. In this video, I'm going to show you the box contents, give you my first impressions of this phone. Some of the key features of this phone is that it comes with the triple rear camera, a dot notch display. It has a 6.2-inch display, an artificial intelligence enabled front camera, 3500 mAh large battery, and it comes with rocket charge fast charging. That is the fast charging provided by MediaTek. It has a MediaTek based processor, and it comes with triple slot as mentioned here on the protective plastic. It comes with 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM, a MediaTek octa-core processor. It comes in 4 different color options. This one is the black that we have got here, and it has a 6.2-inch large notch display at front with the 19.5:9 tall display resolution. The screen to body ratio is 88.6%, which is quite high for this price segment. While this boots, let me quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. On the right hand side, you have the power wake up key followed by the volume rockers here, and on top it is totally clean. On the left you have the SIM card tray, and on the bottom you have speaker grill, charging port, primary mic, and there's also a 3.5mm audio port. On the rear you get a fingerprint scanner, the Camon branding. You have 4-piece LED flash setup here, and you have 3 camera setup. So you have a 13 plus 2 plus 8. 13 megapixel is the primary camera, you have the 8 megapixel wide camera, and you have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front is a 16 megapixel artificial intelligence enabled sensor, which gives you some good selfies. So we'll test that out very soon. This is how the display looks. Let me quickly set this up and talk more, but before that let me show you the box contents and then we'll set up the phone. So in the box, going further, you get a back case. This is a soft silicone back case, quite stylish. It has this vertical lines, which is also kind of textured on the outside, so good for the grip, and it looks like a good quality case. There's also a cover for the 3.5mm audio port and charging port at the bottom, so that the dust does not seep in. Then you have some documentation. It comes with 12 plus 1 month warranty, which is 13-month warranty, and it also comes with one-time screen replacement offer, as also mentioned on the box on the sticker here. So that is something unique. Then you have a USB to micro USB charging cable. There is a SIM removal tool in the box, and you also get a power brick or a power charger. And this one is a fast charging capable rocket charger, as they call it. So the output mentioned is 5 volt 2 ampere, so it should be 10 volt output, but they call it rocket charge. I don't know what exactly that means, but this is what the feature set says. So let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. So as you saw during the setup, this phone supports face unlock as well as fingerprint unlock. And if we check the fingerprint unlock, it seems to be working quite well, as you can see here. As soon as I put my finger here, it unlocks very quickly. The display here is not very high resolution. It's a 720p display, and for that resolution it does look quite okay. It is not very dull. The brightness level is quite satisfactory here, and the color quality as well as the viewing angles seem alright. As you can see on your screen, from the slant angles it is still quite visible. It comes with 2 GB of RAM, and there is 32 GB of internal memory. Good thing is that the memory is expandable using a dedicated micro SD card slot. and it comes with a 3500 mAh battery. Let me take a few pictures with this and find out how good the camera is. So by default, as you can see, it is saying AI cam, so it has some scene recognition inbuilt. Then you have the bokeh effect, and the bokeh effect works using the sensor, which is the secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor that has been provided. So let me try and focus on this object here. Right now it is not working very accurately because this studio setup does not allow us to move too far from this object. And there is a 16 megapixel front facing camera as well, which also has software based bokeh. And if I go back to the rear facing camera, you can see you have the AI cam, the beauty mode, and if you go back to the AI cam, you have this wide effect here. So this is the wide, as you can see, and this is normal. So let me show you the difference. Let me take a picture in wide, and with same framing I'm taking a normal picture so that you can compare the difference. And now let's have a look at the result. This is the normal picture that we have taken. The quality of image does look quite good. It is very sharp and detailed. It's not pixelating on zooming in, and the color production etc. are also very good. Now let me show you the wide image that we clicked in the same framing. So this is the normal and this is the wide. There is a significant amount of extra visual information in this frame, as you can see. And this is the front facing 16 megapixel selfie, again with a lot of detail here. So I am quite impressed with the way the cameras are performing here. This phone, besides having only 2 GB of RAM and 720p HD display, the quality of the phone seems quite satisfactory. It feels nice and sturdy in hand. The fingerprint scanner works. It has face unlock. It has got a lot of things going right for it. So it is a phone which you can consider under 10,000 rupees. If you are planning to buy a phone offline, then there are not many choices in the offline stores, and this is one of the good ones that you can pick. So this is one of the considerations that you can pick in a sub 10,000 rupees budget. What are your thoughts and suggestion about this? Do leave your comments and suggestion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this quick unboxing, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos, stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.